Hi everyone and welcome to the Freelance channel. Today's tutorial we're going to talk about Seabank, and the tutorial is about linking your PayPal to your Seabank account. So if you want to withdraw the funds from your PayPal account, you can do so by linking your Seabank account. Now this is very straightforward, very easy. All you need is of course your Seabank account number and your PayPal account. So without further ado, let's go ahead. I'll go and log into my PayPal account. And for this one, since I have set up two-factor authentication, which is using the security key, so I'll just go ahead and press. Alright, so that's it. I'm now logged in to my PayPal account. From here, what you need to do next is to hover your mouse on your name. Just go ahead and choose account settings. Alright, so once you are on the account settings, go to your business profile and choose money, banks, and cards. So that's what you're going to click. And here, just go ahead and click on link a bank. So we're not linking a card, we're not linking a credit card or debit card, we're linking a bank itself, the bank itself. So click on link a bank. And then we'll go ahead, from here we'll just go ahead and search for the bank name. So we're linking it to Seabank. So there, and then click on Seabank. Now you will see that it automatically fills the bank code field, and then go ahead and enter the account number. Now if you don't know, go ahead, go to your account. So I'll go ahead to my Seabank. I'll go ahead and log in, and the account number is just right up there. So I'll copy the account number and I'll paste it here, and then I'll go ahead. Now, if your account is a business account, just like what I have here, you have two options. You can choose the account name to be under your business name or to be under your personal name. So I'll go ahead and choose personal, since my Seabank account is actually under my personal name. So go ahead and click link your bank. Alright, so that's it. Click on done. So we now have successfully linked our Seabank account to our PayPal account. In the next video, I'm going to show you how we're going to transfer funds from our PayPal account to our Seabank account, and what are the charges, as well as how is the exchange rate actually compares to, say for example, we use Union Bank or other banks in terms of the exchange rate when it gets deposited to our Seabank account. Alright, so that's it for me today, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, consider subscribing. My name is Florante. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.